So here we are with the second installment on the bathroom repair, and now that the belly is all tucked up, the next step here is going to be to re-insulate the area below the floor there. In this particular area, it was just going to be easier to insulate from the top than rather the bottom, so just decided to do that instead since we got open floor access. And then so you can see basically due to the water damage, a couple sections of floor got to be replaced. I've framed in to give it support at the edges so that there's no issues between the trusses where the floor is attaching. And then on the other side we've got the same thing going on where it's has support from some blocks that are put between the trusses, and then in order to expedite things with plumbing, just left the plumbing intact, put a secondary cover in, and then cut that to splice in so that didn't have to redo the plumbing in that particular area. Same with the shower, left that all intact, as well as the toilet and sink plumbing. Still have one line left to do on the sink. So this is kind of where we're at right now. Things are kind of ready to go. Put the insulation in the floor, put the floorboards down, and then we can start on the truss wall. The whole cause of this damage was related to a long-term water leak by a tenant, which rotted out the and swelled the subfloor. And so we're replacing that wood, and then from there we have to reframe the wall. Due to the mobile home construction, there was issues related to the stud wall too, so the base of the stud wall had rotted out and was soaked because when they install the flooring, they install the stud wall over the top of the carpet. So in this case then had to remove the stud wall also because it was just holding in moisture. Couldn't dry it out. So so once this floorboard's in, we'll get the stud wall up, and then we'll show that in the next video with when we install the tub and surround. We'll see you in the next installment.